Making international calls should not be complicated. Are you fed up with high rates and bad connections? Dropped calls and hidden fees? It should not cost a fortune to stay connected. That's why I created ZippCall. Now, calling abroad is simple. With ZippCall, you can make affordable calls to over 200 countries. Let's see how it works. Just click Make a Call and log in. It takes seconds. Pick the country you want to call. ZippCall works in over 200 destinations. Enter the number you want to reach or paste it directly. You'll see the exact rate before you call. Totally transparent pricing. Hit Call Now and you're instantly connected.
Thanks for calling testnumber.org. It looks like you're calling from one.
Easily manage your profile and see your current balance. If you need to check past calls, everything's right here. And when you're low on credit, add funds securely in just seconds. ZippCall, the fastest, easiest way to call anyone in Brazil and beyond. I'm Josh, the founder of ZippCall. I built this to make international calls simple, clear, and affordable for everyone.